Welcome to the future of luxury motor coaches. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the 2026 Newmar King Aire, a masterpiece of engineering and elegance that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a Class A diesel pusher. If you've been dreaming about the ultimate RV experience, this just might be the one to beat. The 2026 King Aire is more than just a motorhome. It's a luxury residence on wheels, built on the robust Spartan K3 chassis and powered by a massive 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine. That kind of power doesn't just move you, it glides you down the road. Whether you're cruising the interstates or climbing mountain passes, the King Aire delivers smooth, quiet performance with unmatched stability. From the moment you approach it, the new exterior styling commands attention. Sleek, aerodynamic lines, full-body masterpiece finish paint with custom graphics, and new LED lighting signatures give it a bold presence. Newmar continues to innovate with cutting-edge safety and convenience features, including adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, lane departure warnings, and automatic collision mitigation, all standard. This coach isn't just luxurious, it's smart. Step inside, and it's clear Newmar has taken things to an entirely new level. The 2026 interior design options are stunning. Whether you choose the rich, modern looks noir palette or the brighter, spa-like crystal haven theme, every finish from polished porcelain tile to handcrafted hardwood cabinetry is flawless. The open floor plan is made possible by multiple full-wall slide-outs, giving you more livable space than most New York apartments. The living area features heated floors, ultralux reclining furniture, and a large Samsung 8K smart TV paired with a premium Bose surround sound system. You can control nearly everything from lighting to climate to entertainment via touch panels or your smartphone. Thanks to Newmar's updated Total Comfort Control System, the kitchen is designed for chefs on the go. Expect quartz countertops, a residential-size Whirlpool refrigerator, induction cooktop, dishwasher, and a convection microwave oven. Soft close drawers, pull-out pantry shelves, and under-cabinet lighting round out the details that make cooking and cleanup effortless. Moving toward the rear, the master suite is a sanctuary. A king-size sleep number bed, smart mood lighting, dual wardrobes, and another 8K TV await. And behind that, the real showstopper, a spa-inspired rear bath with a massive tiled shower, dual sinks, backlit mirrors, and a stacked washer-dryer. Even the half-bath mid-coach is finished to perfection. Under the floor, the King Aire comes equipped with the Oasis hydronic heating system for unlimited hot water and radiant heat. Add in dual 3,000-watt inverters, a bank of lithium-ion batteries, and 12.5 kilowatts Onan diesel generator, and you're ready to boondock in style. Solar panels are available too, letting you stay off-grid longer without sacrificing a single comfort. One of the things that sets Newmar apart is their commitment to craftsmanship. Each King Aire is custom-built, with more than 50 pairs of hands working on each coach. That attention to detail shows up in the smallest touches, from the perfectly aligned wood grain in the cabinetry to the whisper-quiet ride on the road. Of course, a coach like this doesn't come cheap. Starting at well over $1.5 million, the 2026 King Aire is an investment in luxury, performance, and peace of mind. But for those who demand the best and expect every journey to feel like a 5-star experience, there's simply nothing else like it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this walkthrough of the 2026 Newmar King Aire, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.